Hi, my name's Neil Hipwell and I'm the founding director of the design and construct company Futureflip, and today we're here in my house, the Bunker House. My wife and I had always holidayed in this area in Gerringong, and we always dreamed of creating the ultimate luxury escape. We wanted a really stripped back, understated home that had really robust hard-wearing materials, so concrete was the perfect choice. The bunker design was inspired by my obsession of concrete and also the local wartime bunkers that are in this area. We wanted a really timeless design that was mid-century modern but really sympathetic to the natural landscape here in Gerringong. The living room was designed as an entertaining space that has a massive oversized room that really frames the view. We really wanted to have great visibility of all the key zones, the pool, the barbecue, the backyard. Wanted to be able to have visibility of the kids no matter where they are up on this level. We wanted to create a really welcoming space that we could play with our kids or hang out with our friends. But we also wanted the space to be large enough and open plan enough to cater for at least 100 people on this one level if we wanted to have a big party. Gerringong is renowned for being really cold and windy during winter, but still one of the most beautiful places on the south coast. We knew that a fireplace was non-negotiable, and having a sea of fireplaces on lots of our previous builds, we knew that it was the perfect choice. The sea of fireplaces use flexible flue technology, so we could pretty much install it anywhere in the house. But on this project, we chose the living room, which is my favourite room. It's got the best view, and this is where we spend most of our time.